We also have built-in financial reports. So things like balance sheet, income statements, trial balance reports. An unlimited number of row definitions can be created, defining the rows such as sales, expenses, cost of goods sold, and also an unlimited number of column definitions can be created. This could be things like period to date or period and year to date, period to date versus prior year to date with a variance, actual versus budgets, maybe a rolling 12-month, or a departmental or what we call dimensional financial statement. So it's literally an unlimited combination of rows and columns that can be created to analyze your financial data directly from within Business Central. And if I click this open, I can say, let's look at a year of data, a quarter of data, a month of data, and then look at this data. So it's online analysis tools for you.